Good afternoon, Code Simplifier's tribes. Behzad is here from Code Simplifier Coding School. Welcome back to another video of MySQL tutorials. Today, we are going to learn about altered table. So, let's dive into it. By using altered table syntax, we can add, delete, or modify a column. To test our concept, we want to add an extra column to our teacher's table. But beforehand, let's see the current columns. Here is our teacher table. So let's run the script and check it out. So you just write down select, choose everything from teacher table. Run the script. The last column is a school name. And to test the altered table syntax, we want to add the spoken language column into our teacher's table. Below your insert into, we want to write down the syntax alter table, and we want to write down the table target, which is our teacher table. Below that, it will be add, the name of the new column, so it will be spoken language, and the data type, which it will be varchar 75 characters, and close it off. Now we have the column ready to use. The next step, it would be adding the data. So below your add, we want to write down update, the target table name, which is teacher. Below the teacher, we want to set the language is spoken. So just copy here to avoid any type of mistake. And that will be equal to English. And in the last, we want to identify which teacher speaks English. So we write the condition as where teacher ID equals to, we want to use the teacher number 1. And that is how you can update and alter a table by adding a column to your existing table. There is one more thing which I forgot to mention, and that is your SQL setting may be different to mine, and that might cause an issue. In case you got an error while running your script, run this syntax to turn off the safe update in your SQL. And that is for today's video. Before we go, let's recap what we have done. We added an extra column to our teacher table named spoken language. Then we updated our table by setting the value to English, and we declared the rule use where condition, which we can assign the new value to the teacher we identified here. Now I have a challenge for you. I want you to use this syntax and add a new column named degree to your student table. Then set the degree to IT and apply it to your 5th student. I would like to see what your outcome it would be. So comment your result in the comment section below. We came to the end of today's video. If this video was helpful to you, please like it. And if you are new here and learned something new, please support our work by subscribing to our channel. Your support gives us confidence to create more content similar to this and share them with others. Thank you for your time, and I will see you next week.